Hello friends, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech, and today I'm gonna present you one very interesting mouse. It's not a gaming mouse, but it's a mouse created for professionals, for video editors, for programmers and for graphic designers, or people who work in front of a computer more than 4 or 5 hours and their job is connected with computer science and so on. Because this mouse makes the workflow very easy and actually even, I would say, nice. Let's open it. This is MX Master 3 by Logitech. We'll see in the side of the main box there is one more box where the mouse is. Here is the mouse itself. You see, the mouse has a classic look, elegant design, and it's actually very beautiful with silver scrolls and gummy-like surface. You have 7 programmable buttons on the mouse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All of them are special, and there are preset modes for these buttons connected to the main programs like Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe After Effects, and many other programs that are preset into programs inside a special software called Logitech Options that you need to install on your computer. This mouse is very unique. The technology that is inside the scroll wheel is electromagnetic and is called max speed. That means the scroll wheel has 2 modes. Normal mode, where you can scroll silently. It's very silent, there is no sound when you scroll. And the uncontrolling fast scroll that can skip up to 1000 rows, which makes it very easy to use for people who are doing like programming and they have a lot of rows. Then the other special feature is here. You have that side wheel that can move timeline, or you can skip back pages with, especially when you video edit. Then you have this button here, which shows the layout of the menus and the programs that you're using right now. Then you have at the bottom of the mouse where you see the sensor, which has special technology called Logitech Dark Field with DPI range up to 4000. This mouse can work on any kind of surface, including glass. Here with this button, you change the computers. This mouse can work up to 3 computers at one and the same time. That's called Logitech Flow and Easy Switch options. The mouse is very classy looking, and also it's very fast charging. It has USB Type-C charging type here. It's wireless mouse. It can connect through Bluetooth or through 2.4 GHz. Here is the connector. You can work up to 3 computers with the mouse. And also 1 minute of charging means 30 hours of work. 1 full cycle of charging is 4 hours, and you can work up to 70 days with the mouse. Now, if you don't mind, I want to show you how the mouse is working through different programs. And also, I forgot to mention that each one of the programs you can also customize through Logitech Options. That gives you actually unlimited options of customization. We open the Logitech Options software. It immediately registered the mouse. We have middle button, wheel mode shift, gesture button, back, horizontal scroll, and forward. Here is the button layout. Here we have the different modes. Here, smooth scrolling, scroll wheel direction, thumb and wheel direction. You can customize all of this stuff. And you can see that this device is very good. Now let me demonstrate you how is it working exactly. You can see the applications here. Right now the mouse is preset for Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and you can add more applications into the list. As you see, even in games, Apex Legends, Battlefield Crisis, DaVinci Resolve, of course. I will show you how you can work with some of these programs. Now we'll go into Firefox and we will use the wheel. Of course, we need to turn it on first from the sensor here. It gives screen indicating light. And now the mouse is working. As you can see, I will scroll fast. It scrolled immediately up to the bottom without any other efforts. Then if you open Excel, here you see how you can use the side scroll and check through all of your rows. If you put some kind of value into the table, you can go back with one of these buttons. As I said, all of these buttons are preset especially for Excel and for a couple of other programs that you can see list of. From this button here we can see the layout of the menu and what we have opened exactly right now. Let's feel the click of the mouse. This mouse is very good, I would say. I appreciate all of its features, and I'm sure a lot of people in like content creators, video editors, programmers and so on would like it a lot because of the amazing functions, premium look and ergonomic design. The moment you put your palm on it, it feels amazing without any other pressure. Thank you very much for watching this review. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow me in all social media.